everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to study a fraction word problem. Okay, the first problem, the Alps delivery van services has to deliver 9 1/3 metric tons of corn to Quezon City. If each delivery van can be loaded with 1 1/3 metric tons of corn, how many vans will be needed to deliver the corn? To solve the problem, we have to use the 4 steps. Step 1, understand the problem. How to understand the problem? First, we have to ask what is asked in the problem. So the problem asks the number of delivery vans needed to deliver the corn. And another question that we're going to create from the understand the problem, what are given? So the given facts, 9 1/3 metric tons of corn per delivery and 1 1/3 metric tons of corn per delivery van. Step 2, plan what to do. So what operation will be used? So division. What is the equation? So the equation is n instance for the delivery van, number of delivery van, equals 9 1/3 divided by 1 1/3. Then step 3, solve the problem. We will use the equation n equals 9 1/3 divided by 1 1/3. And then we're going to change to improper fraction because the given is the mixed number. So it becomes now 3 times 9 equals 27 plus 1 equals 28/3 divided by 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. So the mixed number now changed to 4 and 1/3. And then after that, we have to use the reciprocal method. So 28/3 times 3/4. Then we're going to simplify. Since we can cancel 3 and 3, so we're going to divide it immediately by means this method is called cancellation. So the remaining is, and then also 28 and 4 we can cancel by dividing by 4. So it becomes now 7 times 1 equals 7. Then 1 times 1 equals 1. So therefore 7/1 is equals to 7. So our complete answer is 7 delivery vans are needed to deliver the 9 1/3 metric tons of corn. Step 4, we have to check your answer. So to check our answer, we have to multiply the result 7 delivery van times the 1 1/3 per the loaded per van. So then we have to change the mixed number into improper fraction. It becomes now 4/3. Then 7 times 4 equals 28. Then copy the division, the number at the numerator, which is 3. Then 28 divided by 3 becomes now 9 1/3, which is corresponds to metric tons of corn to be delivered.